Hello everyone! Allow me to introduce the VENO Extra Large Clear Storage and Moving Bags. These bags come in either a set of 4 or 5, and they're excellent storage bags that can also be used for moving or transporting items, as well as using them for outdoor activities. Let's go ahead and take a look. What's great about these bags is that they're transparent and easy to see through. You can store all types of items without having to open up and search through the bags. These are incredibly versatile and great for things such as cushions, blankets, clothing, Christmas wreaths and decor, as well as sporting goods and more. These bags are durable, water resistant, and easy to clean and maintain by wiping it down. These handles are premium and heavy duty handles, and these handles are far superior to other ones on the market. These handles are strong enough to be hung, carried, or pulled out from underneath the bed. With that mentioned, these bags are an excellent choice for under the bed storage. You can easily and conveniently pull the bag out by its long and durable handles. With its transparent design, you can quickly and easily see the contents inside. And with a very large capacity, these bags can hold up to 50 pounds. They're strong and can hold heavy items with their premium PP woven material and heavy-duty handles. They're strong enough to be hung up, which is excellent for saving space and being able to see exactly what's being stored inside. On the side of the bags, there are sturdy dual-tab premium zippers that allows for the bags to open wide for easy loading and unpacking. I'd also like to mention that these bags are lightweight, economical, and more convenient than those large, heavy storage bins that you can't even see through. Great to use in your closet, garage, cabinet, attic, basement, in the car, or under the bed. These bags are amazing and practical space savers, but they're also great for moving apartments, transporting sporting equipment and camping gear, or safely storing outdoor cushions or Christmas decor and wreaths. Choosing VENO Extra Large Clear Storage and Moving Bags is a sustainable choice. VENO's company mission is to reduce our impact and our one-time plastic usage on the environment in order to create a cleaner and more livable future. The fabric used on these bags are made by maximizing the use of post-consumer materials, which saves plastic from ending up in our lakes, oceans, and landfills. These bags are premium quality, versatile, and convenient, and make an excellent and sustainable choice for your storing and transportation needs.